Hi, this is Sarah from Align with Sarah. I am having a moment where I'm feeling like we're really digging into the website and fixing things that have been driving me crazy and really just assessing old projects and bringing things back up into the light. And part of this process is finding YouTube videos that are a couple years old, and I am taking a moment to appreciate how far I've come with doing these videos. I think it's easy to forget where we came from, that like beginning point, what the first one looked like, what, they were even looking like, were, things, our talents, our abilities, what they were like a year ago, and how quietly and consistently the effort and the outcomes have changed. And I think when we have that starkness between today and the snapshot or the video or the content or the creation or the effort, where we can hold it up to compare it, it is so valuable to appreciate. I'm not there anymore. I'm here now. And my voice, my confidence, my eye contact, my overall thinking and presenting my information, it just all feels so much better. And I guess I am taking a moment to appreciate that. And I guess I'm inviting you on board with that. I don't know if you want to dig into the archives too much or just trust me, because uh, I imagine you should just trust me and watch a video that is suggested here at the end. Um, but my content is geared towards personal growth and development, and there is such a great value when we have like those spectacles of love on. We have our uh, kindness tuned in. We're not going to be overall like harsh and condemning of, what we can't even change, looking back at whatever. And um, and it offers this opportunity for appreciating where we are now. And I think when we have the emotional baggage, when we have that trapped trauma, those limiting beliefs, they're going to tell a story that is still going to be tied to the past, which we can't change. And it can keep us from feeling very, um, let's see, unhopeful in our moment. The like lost cause of like, well, this is like 3 years later and I'm still X, Y, or Z. That's the negative thinking. That's the trauma, the PTSD. That is the response of those trapped emotions that are not serving you, because it's the exact same experience that can inspire, okay, that's enough. This is my threshold. This is my reminder. Holy cow, it's been 3 years. Not doing that for one more minute. Or this is really where I need to improve. Uh, we have opportunities all around us all the time to be noticing. Here we go. Listening and shifting into what will work better. And we have that every single moment of our life in the present moment. Can't change the past. We can switch gears so we can have a different outcome. But if we are constantly putting the same ingredients in our soup of the day, that's one of my other favorite things to talk about. What we're thinking, what we're doing, behaviors, habits, lifestyles, thoughts, routines. I don't know if I said that already. All of those are contributing to our soup of the day. And if we are bringing everything into the same day, our day is going to taste the same. It's going to look the same. We're going to have the same outcome. If we keep doing what we're doing, we will keep getting what we're getting. Guaranteed. Taxes, death, and if we keep doing what we're doing, we're going to keep getting what we're getting. So that's that motivation to appreciate how far you come or recognize a threshold that today's the day, enough is enough. Um, where am I going? What am I doing? Uh, who is supporting me? How am I supporting myself? These are all beautiful questions. And there's this beautiful invite to go check out the website and let me know what it looks like. alignwithsarah.com is the website. And of course, let me know if any buttons don't work because if you could feel what my shoulder feels like from clicking, this is my like small movement of using my mouse that is just torture on the body. Um, so yeah, if anything is glitching out, not working, let me know about that with an email to say hello at alignwithsarah.com. That's the email to get a hold of me. And of course, it's listed all over the website as well and in the description below. Okay, I'm so glad that you're here, and I'm so glad that I'm here exactly where I am, exactly as grown as much as I can, and I look forward to growing more. And it is my wish that we all have that feeling and we all have that place to celebrate. Okay, I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye now.